Stress before traveling? You're not alone. Let's be honest. Even the most seasoned travelers feel a little tense before a trip. Research shows over half of us sleep poorly the night before departure. You might feel restless, irritable, and not even realize it's travel anxiety talking. What's behind it? Often it's the what-ifs. What if I miss my flight? What if there's a delay? What if I forget something? Or worse, lose my wallet? At Exclusive Worldwide, we've helped thousands of people relocate and travel stress-free. And we know how to take the trauma out of transfer. Here's how you can do it too. Start early. The week before departure is always hectic, so prep 2 weeks in advance. Trust us, future, you will thank you. Organize your documents. Keep copies, both paper and digital, of IDs, tickets, reservations. Store them in one folder on your phone. Download offline maps if needed. Pack smart. Go light. Choose clothes that mix and match. Keep it simple. The night before, skip the wine. It messes with sleep. Try to get proper rest. On travel day, don't arrive. Just in time. Give yourself breathing room. If you're early, listen to a podcast, call someone, enjoy the pause. Make the journey count. Bring a book. Download your favorite series. Use the time to reset. Or just relax. Final tip, the super 15-minute check. Right before you leave, set a timer. Check everything once, calmly. It really works. And when things don't go to plan, breathe, then ask, what can I do right now? Control what you can. Let go of the rest, because the point isn't just getting there. It's feeling good while doing it.